प्रदीप चिंचकर यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आमचा आदरातिथ्य स्वीकारावं. लीना मॅडम त्यांचं स्वागत करते. लीना मॅडम त्यांचं स्वागत पुष्पगुच्छ देऊन करतात. नंदू खडके यांचं स्वागत करते अरुणा मॅडम. विकास भगत
teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Archita Gupta from 9th standard. Today I am going to say a speech on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day. Everyone 15 August. We celebrate this day with great joy, respect and love for our nation. It is a day to sacrifice the struggle of each and everyone. Some leaders we remember are Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmi and many more. We are celebrating this day by hosting our national flag, singing patriotic song and taking part in other cultural activities. These many people distribute sweets to spread joy. Let's promise to be good and make India proud. Once again, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Shri Bharti Rahul from standard second.
Good morning everyone. My name is Srishi. Today is 15th August and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India got freedom on this day in 1947. It is a national festival of India. I love my country very much. आणि माझ्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना आज 15 ऑगस्ट भारतीय स्वातंत्र्याच्या अमृत महोत्सवी वर्षाच्या आज आपण प्रवेश करत आहोत. या महान देशाचा जन्म दोनदा झाला आहे. पहिला विश्व निर्माण झाले तेव्हा आणि दुसऱ्यांदा 200 वर्षाच्या स्वातंत्र्यानंतर हा देश स्वतंत्र झाला तेव्हा या देशाने काही महान माणसांना जन्म दिला. त्याच महान माणसांनी नंतर या देशाला जन्म दिला. मित्रहो, आजचा स्वातंत्र्याचा दिवस उजाडला. गार्डन वासुदेव बळवंत फडके, चाफेकर बंधू अशा हजारो आहुती दिली. आपल्या प्राणांची आहुती दिली. सुभाषचंद्र बोस, भगतसिंग, साने गुरुजी अशा नेत्यांनी आपल्या जीवनाची राख रंगवली केली. लाखो अज्ञात पुरुषांनी, महिलांनी, बालकांनी तुरुंगवास भोगला. इंग्रजांचा वाद झेलला तर कधी छातीवर गोळाबार झेलला. दोस्त हो, आजचा हा दिवस त्या महान राष्ट्रभक्तांचे स्मरण करायचे दिवस आहे. 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 या दिवशी मिळालेले स्वातंत्र्य गेले 500 वर्ष टिकून आहे. ते तैनात असलेल्या आपल्या भारतीय सैनिकांमुळे ऊन, वारा, पाऊस यांची पर्वा न करता धरती, आकाश आणि पाण्यातूनही सीमेवर खडा पाहायला येणारे आपले भारतीय सैनिक कधी देशाबाहेर तर कधी देशाच्या आतले शत्रूंनी लढाई हजारो सैनिकांनी आपले बलिदान दिले. त्या भारत माताच्या वीर सुपुत्रांना आज स्मरण करण्याचा दिवस आहे. ये वंदन की धरती, अभिनंदन की धरती, इसकी कंगन कंगन हमारे लिए शंकर है, इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है. जिएंगे तो भारत के लिए, मरेंगे तो भारत के लिए, मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल से बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई काम लगाकर कोई सुनेगा तो एक क्या बनाएगा? भारत फिर कदम कदम मिलाए जा गगन गगन झुकाए जा रखो सला कर फैसला तुझे वक्त बदलना है करना तो बंदेया रुकना तो बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया करना तो बंदेया रुकना तो बंदेया राह पे चल बंदेया भारत माता की जय हिंद
Speech by Mahira Khan from Standard First.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Mahira. We are celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. This day we are freedom in 1947. I love my country. Jai Vijay Maharaj. Thank you.
Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. At first I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival of India. On this day 1947 India became independent for the British rule. We should understand the importance of this great day. All Indians celebrate this day by hosting the national day and singing the national anthem. This day is reminded of the value of the freedom. This Independence we got was a lot of result, sacrifice and struggles of our freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and etc. Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Amani from Standard Six.
भारतीय इतिहासात तो दिवस अमर झाला. 15 ऑगस्टला आमचा भारत स्वतंत्र झाला. आदरणीय व्यासपीठ, प्रिय गुरुजन वर्ग आणि येथे जमलेल्या माझ्या सर्व बाल मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, माझे नाव अवनी अमोल लंडे, इयत्ता 6वी. तुम्हा सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. 15 ऑगस्ट हा दिवस सर्व भारतीयांसाठी उत्साहाचा, आनंदाचा आणि अभिमानाचा दिवस असतो. 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 रोजी आपला भारत देश इंग्रजांच्या गुलामगिरीतून मुक्त झाला. म्हणूनच हा दिवस इतिहासातील सुवर्ण दिन मानला जातो. आपल्या देशाला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी अनेक शूरवीरांनी आपल्या प्राणाचे बलिदान दिले. राणी लक्ष्मीबाई, भीमराव आंबेडकर, सरोजिनी नायडू, भगतसिंग अशा असंख्य वीरांनी आपल्या अनमोल बलिदानामुळे देशासाठी अर्पण केले. आपला भारत देशाला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी या सर्व वीरांनी बलिदान दिले. म्हणूनच आपण आज सुरक्षित आणि मनमोकळेपणे जगत आहोत. स्वातंत्र्य दिनी शाळा, कॉलेजेसमध्ये तसेच अनेक इतर ठिकाणी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम आयोजन केले जाते. म्हणूनच मी शेवटी एवढंच म्हणेन, सजला नतमस्तक मी ज्या सर्वांची त्यांनी भारत देश घडवला. एवढं बोलून मी माझे 4 शब्द पूर्ण करते. भारत माता की जय हिंद, जय भारत.
And all, and my dear friends, my name is Karan. Today is 15th August, and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country, and this year we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their life to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors. We are living peaceful life. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. We should feel proud to be an Indian. So on this occasion, let us all pledge to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार. मेरा नाम माही जायसवाल है. मैं कक्षा 6वीं की छात्रा हूँ. आज 15 अगस्त है और आज हम सब यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं. आज के दिन हमारा भारत देश आज़ाद हुआ था. स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन हम राष्ट्र ध्वज फहराते, इसके बाद राष्ट्रगान गाते. स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारा राष्ट्रीय त्यौहार है. हमें अपने भारत स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का आभारी होना चाहिए, जिनके त्याग और बलिदान से आज हम यह उत्सव बना पा रहे हैं. मेरे को मेरे भारत होने पर गर्व है और मैं अपने भारत देश से बहुत प्रेम करती हूँ. धन्यवाद. Now speak.
Very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 79 Independence Day of our country. On 15 August 1947, India was freedom from the British. This day reminded that sacrifices of our great freedom fighters who fought for independence. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others fought for the independence of India. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. We should feel to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Now speak by Manvi from standard 3rd.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manvi. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. We got freedom fighters on this day. We got freedom on this day. I am proud of my India. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Roshni from 8th standard. Today I am going to say speech on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15 August 1947. We should never forget their sacrifice of all the freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others fought to make India from British rule. It is India from British rule. On the occasion, we all remember their sacrifice and thank them. We should proud to be a part of an independent nation. We should proud to be an Indian, and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I am studying in class 4. Today is teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Swanandi. I am studying in class 4. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important from the British rule. Independence Day is the national festival of our country. This year we are celebrating Independence Day of our country. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence to India. This day reminds us the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. We should pay tribute to freedom fighters on this day. Independence Day is a very proudful day for our country. This day teaches us the power of unity. I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. माझे नाव आराधना आहे. आज 15 ऑगस्ट आहे. आपण देशाचा स्वातंत्र्य दिन साजरा करत आहोत. सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हा भारताचा अभिमान माझा देश आहे. यावेळी आपण रक्षाबंधन साजरा करतो. हा भारताचा राष्ट्रीय सण आहे. तिरंगा आहे आपली शान, आपला भारत जगात विष्णू सरकारच्या वीरांना जगनी देशासाठी दिले प्राण. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pritika Sanjay Gupta from 6th standard. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country. On 15 August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. This day reminds us the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others fought for independence of India. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. We should feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. बापू के कर पुकारते थे। एक आओ उनके जीवन से जुड़ी एक मजेदार घटना सुनते हैं। एक बार एक बच्चा बापू से मिलने आया। उसने देखा कि बापू के शरीर पर केवल एक धोती थी। बच्चा यह देखकर हैरान था। बच्चे ने बापू से पूछा, आप केवल धोती ही क्यों पहनते हैं? आपके पास कोई कुर्सी नहीं है? बापू ने कहा, मेरे पास बच्चे ने बाबू से कहा, मैं अपनी माँ से कहकर आपके लिए एक कुर्ता सिलवा दूंगा, तब आप वह कुर्ता पहनेंगे ना? बापू के बच्चे के सिर पर हाथ फेराते हुए कहा, तुम्हारी माँ कितने कुर्ते सिल सकती है बेटा? बच्चा प्रसन्न हो उठा। उस बच्चे ने बोला, आप जितने कहें बापू। बापू ने कहा, क्या वो मेरे सारे भाई और बहनों के लिए कपड़े सिल देंगी? बच्चे ने भोलेपन से पूछा, आपके कितने भाई बहन हैं? बापू ने कहा, मैं इस भारत माँ की संतान हूँ। इस देश के सारे लोग मेरे भाई बहन हैं। जब उनके तन पर कपड़े होंगे तब मैं कुर्सी पहनूंगा। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Today I am say a speech on Independence Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we know that the most important day in Indian history. We are celebrating 79 National Independence Day. This day is reminders of all of our great freedom fighters and their struggle and sacrifices, like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many other freedom fighters. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Today is 15 August. This year we are celebrating 79 Independence Day. We got freedom on 15 August 1947 from British rule. Independence Day is the greatest festival of democracy. On this day we remember our great freedom fighters. This day we host our national flag with pride and respect. Independence Day reminds us of our duty to protect the freedom of the country. Independence Day teaches us the value of the freedom. I love and respect my country like a mother. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Once again, happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Today I am going to speak on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. Independence Day in India celebrated on 15 August. On this day, 1947, India became free from British rule. On this day, Prime Minister Horace Nehru at the Red Fort Delhi. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the independence of India. We call it tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. Make some holidays to observe on this day. Independence motivates us to love our country. Thank you. We hoist our national flag and sing our national anthem. dear principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 15th of the August on our Independence Day. On this day in 1947, our country broke the British rule and become free. It is a day to remember courage and sacrifices of our great freedom fighter Subhash Singh. Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose and many others who fought selflessly so that we can live our life with dignity and pride. Independence Day is not about freedom from courage and rule. It's all about our culture and work hard to make India stronger. We must stand united, help each other and spread peace and love everywhere. We will paint our India in such color that every dream will come true and in every heart only one name will echo India. Let's take a place to be a responsible citizen and keep our tricolor flying high forever. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, fellow teachers and all of my name
is Mariam. I am from Sunday. Today I am here to give a speech on 15 August. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day to beloved our country. To beloved our country. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. But in the year 1947, India became free from British rule after many years and our sacrifice great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. In India's Independence Day is not just a celebration. It is a reminder to our country. To show responsibility towards the country. In the year 2025, India became fast in technology, space research, sports and many other fields. It is our responsibility to show inclination and make our country develop and strong. Thank you.
All my dear friends, my name is Parth Sanjay Padam. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. This year we are celebrating 38th Independence Day of our country. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. After many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India, never forget their sacrifices. Such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others fight to make India free from the British rule. On this occasion, we all remember their sacrifices and thank them. We should be proud to be a part of all independent. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. In 1947, Independence Day is the national festival of India. We should always respect our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and others who teach us to live in peace, love and unity. All Indians celebrate this day by hosting the Indian flag and singing the national anthem. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Here today is the 15th August of Independence Day. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. I am proud of Independence Day is a national festival of India. I am proud of you to by my India. I love my country very much. Thank you. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country. On 15 August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. This day reminds the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters whose effort gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh gave us fought for independence of India. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. We should feel proud to be an Indian.